Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to cover how to go about importing and setting up an AcadiCam. So ironically, I'll be using one to actually capture this tutorial, so that's what you're looking through right now. I'm logged into VR mode, which is what you would have to do in order to add one to your scene and to configure it. You do need to be in VR and logged in as an admin, so that when I open my edit menu, we'll see my full tool set here. So I'm going to go to Assets, and then I'm going to go to the Packs tab, and I'm going to scroll all the way down. I'm going to actually sorting it chronologically. I'll scroll all the way to the bottom, and at least as of the creation of this tutorial, Display Utilities is pretty close to the bottom. So you just hit Get to acquire that pack, then go back over to your Inventory tab, and you'll see it in the Utilities. So if I select Utilities, I can see my AcadiCam there, and I can bring one into my scene. So we can place this wherever we want. I'm going to go ahead and place this kind of a close-up on the patient maybe. And with that selected in the scene, I can go to my simulation manager and I can activate that camera. Now there is, our editing gizmo is highlighted, so you see that blue dot appear, but if you deselect the camera, then you don't see that anymore. So if I select the camera again and move the position, you can see it kind of moves the position around. We could also make this one a close-up on the vitals monitor if we wanted to, just kind of reposition that. Or we could delete this camera and go back to the other one so that we can see this view. So you can have multiple AcadiCams in a scene at the same time, and you're just using your simulation manager to toggle the visibility, turning that monitor display on or off. As you can see, I have my menus are shown, but I could hide those menus if I wanted to. So if you wanted to just focus on the patient or the simulation, you can turn your menus off, but obviously to create a tutorial, it's helpful to have that on. And I can also have them shown or hidden by default. As soon as the AcadiCam is activated, it will automatically do that. So we can toggle that, or we can also toggle whether it should be visible automatically or not when the scene loads. So if I wanted the AcadiCam to be immediately active when I start a simulation, I'll just go ahead and put that on by default. So that's it. If you have any questions, send us a note at info@acadicus.com or find us on the Discord channel. Thanks for watching.